In this video we're going to have a look at Superklick's Velbus quote generator that creates a lovely PDF of your projects. Use a browser to access the superklick.com website and click on the Get a Bespoke Quote button and register. It doesn't demand any personal information, add whatever you're comfortable with. It's just a way for you to get back in and access your projects at any time you like. After registering, the first thing it prompts you to do is complete your personal information. Again, just add whatever you're comfortable with. I've got an example project already set up to show you an overview. So let's go ahead and take a look. Click on the blue action button for that project. This presents a pop-up and you can choose Edit the Project. We can see we've got a couple of rooms in here and a couple of circuits and some heating control and the basic components at the bottom. Let's jump right in and have a look at the PDF it's created. At the top right hand corner, click on the PDF icon. This will show you everything you've put in with a full retail price. This quickly means you can get a rough price to the customer without spending hours on system design. Scrolling down the PDF shows everything that you've created in the project. Let's go back and create a new project from scratch and I'll show you what needs to be done. Go back to Projects and click on New Project. This brings up a simple window, just give it a name. Click on Save Project. Now you can start editing this new project. Start by clicking on the Actions button on the right and choose Edit Project. This tool will auto-populate some suggestions. Heat coil if you want to do a separate circuit for heat when using 4-wire actuators. Stored hot water control, if so, how many of each? And things like domestic hot water return pumps or any additional heating booster pumps. Let's start by adding a room. The first thing to do is add a room. Click on the Add Room button at the top and there's name suggestions or you can create your own. Next thing to do is add circuits to this room. Click on Add Circuit. Give it a name. Whatever you're going to call it. Ceiling light, for example. Next, choose the circuit type. Default is lighting, and we're going to leave it purely as switched. This allocates a relay channel to that circuit. Let's do that again, and we'll add a different lighting circuit, wall lights this time, and again just plain switched. There you go, that's 2 circuits of lighting in this room. Let's add a bit of heating control next. Add another circuit again, but this time give it a name like radiator control and click on heating. All this does is add another relay module and assign a channel of it to this heating channel. That's all the circuits in that room done. Now we put in a bit of control for the end user. Click on the Edit Input module, and just because we can, we'll use standard glass panels in here. Click on whichever type you want, and don't forget when you click on an item, you do have to state quantity. How many do you want in that room? I'm going to put a 2 button in there, and I'm going to put an OLED, just one of each. And then in the same window, you'll find the PIRs. I'll add the mini PIR, which you can use anywhere indoors. And then there's the external PIRs. But whatever you do, don't forget to add quantities. So that's it, that's one room done. Repeat this process as much or as little as you want. You can always change the room and circuit names from this dashboard. Okay, so once you're happy with that room, create a second room. You can use one of the suggestions or type your own custom name. I'm going to call this one Hallway. Now that's created a second room, we can go on and repeat what we've done before. But first, let's have a quick gander at the PDF so far and see where we are with hardware. You'll see there are 2 relays in there. One has been allocated to lighting control and the other to heating, because clearly you have them on separate breakers and in different cabinets. This tool makes that easy. We'll go back through and we'll continue editing, adding lights and heating or cooling. Let's add a switch lighting circuit in the hallway. And then we'll add a heating circuit in the hallway and call it underfloor. It's just a valve to control water flow. Don't get over concerned, as at this stage it's just about building an S-Plan Plus system. We need to add a glass panel in this room. And again, quantities. But that's it, all done for that second room. Let's have another look at the PDF, and you can see nothing much has changed as far as the relays go. We had spare channels available from the first room. All the hallway has done is use the spare channel on each. The only thing that needed to be added is the extra glass panel. This quote tool does all the work for you. So far, we've only used the basic switch lighting circuits and got a price. Let's change the lighting to dimming and see what happens. Just a matter of clicking on edit and simply switch on the dimming option, which automatically selects the 240 volt dimmer. I'll do that for every light circuit in the lounge and change to dimming. Finishing up with a light in the hallway, click on edit, change it to dimming, scroll down and click on save circuit. That's it. That's how we change from switch to dim circuits. There are more options, but let's see what this has done to the PDF. Click on the little PDF symbol. You can see the relay quantity has gone down to 1 because that's only needed for the heating now, but it has added an 8-channel 10-volt controller and 3 of the mains dimmers for the 3 lighting circuits. This means you've got 5 spare 10-volt channels, but that's the point of this demo. Go ahead and build whatever you want. Print this PDF out or email it to us, submit it, and we'll apply any available discounts. For more information, go to www.velbus.eu or www.smartklick.com.